Hey everyone, this is my 100 Things 2021, number 5. And I am going to learn to stop writing it in the book until I finished it, because I have messed up my little book already because I haven't finished these 3. So rather than skip over it and just, not do the videos in order, I'm switching up and doing them in order that I have them completed. So this is a journal kit, and I have the grommet on the side. I have Tim Holtz fabric, and this is the new fabric, on the outside, and wallpaper on the inside. And I have the elastic cording to sew it in with. Inside I have Amy paper, and it's all tea-dyed. And I forgot, but I think it comes out to like 60. Well, let's figure it out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look at that paper. Oh, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, times 2 is 84 pages. So, it's an 84-page journal, and like I said, it has the Tim Holtz fabric on the outside, wallpaper on the inside. I love this fabric. I love the colors. I love the design. I love everything about it. Then I have a sheet of these, ta-da! It just went blank. The little hole covers, to put on your tags or whatever. Some papers to put in it. And some of it's scraps, some of it isn't. I was going to put this on the cover, but I didn't want to cover it up. So I might, whoever gets it can do what they want. This is going to be one of the kits that I have up for sale. I still need to come out around the corners. I made some tags in different sizes. These are journaling cards in different sizes, and I need to round the corners. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to put a hole in them or not. I'm just not sure yet about the journaling cards. They are on cardstock. Then I have a tag, and there's 1, 2, I think there's 5 of the large tags, and somewhere in here, I haven't put it yet, maybe, but there will be this paper, this tissue paper as well. And then I have a lot of handmade papers. Okay, this is all handmade paper. And I love it, love it, love it. That will be with it. This will be with it. This is handmade. I love this paper. I love it. This is handmade paper. And they could be either pockets, tuck spots, or tags, however you want to use them. And then I have this handmade paper that you can see the threads through. I hope you can anyway, but yeah. I have a lot of that in there. Some pockets and tags that were in a kit, but I thought they went good with this, so I added these to it. And then I made some envelopes in different colors from the Amy paper. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 envelopes from the Amy papers. I'm going to put ribbon in here. I'm going to put lace in here. And I'm thinking I will put some eyelash trim in here. I'm almost positive I'm going to put eyelash trim in here. But this is all going to be one kit. And when you see them in the Etsy store, I will post when it's opened again. And remember that for every kit you purchase, a comparable kit will be sent to Defy, which is a Disabled Artist Foundation Incorporated, so that a disabled artist will have the kit to work with and make one of their own, however they want to make it. But they will all be same size. They may not be the same theme, but they will be the same size, and they will all be good quality. So let's say if I don't have enough fabric to do another one of these, which I think I do, then they will get one just covered in a different fabric, basically. So this is number 5. I'm happy with the way it came out. I like it. And like I said, I may be able, if things go the way I'm hoping they will next week, to open the shop back up before June the 1st, which is what my goal is to open it before June the 1st, but if not, it will open June the 1st for sure. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you're looking forward to purchasing some kits and helping a disabled artist get a kit. See you soon. Bye-bye.